Hello everyone again. We're back into this stuff. So what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be installing this operating system 2 with Giovanni Jesus. We're gonna be doing installation of Hyper-V, and this is gonna be my virtual machine. So first thing first is that we need to uh, click in settings, right? We need to enable with the VM turned off. We need to enable the here we click on processor. We need to enable virtualization engine. If it's not enabled, then it's not going to work. So after we do that, we click on OK, and then we click on we power it on, and we wait for the VM to power on. So what we do that, let's just play some music, right? What do you think, guys? What says that? Yeah, yeah. I'm just now leaving. Can I come around later on this evening? Or do you need time? Yeah, of course, that's fine. Oh, you, good morning. I'm sure you're busy now. Why else would you ignore me? Or do you need space? I can help it if you're mine. Ashamed. So go ahead and break my heart again. Leave me wondering why the hell I ever let you in. Are you there? Okay, now we are on the VM in and of itself. I'm sorry for my bad singing. You're gonna have to bear with me because I got this new mic and I got tested. So we need to click on VM things, right? So because we're gonna send the Control Alt Delete so I can go on. And here we put our password, which is what is my password? Is that it? No. Is that it? Oh, that was it. So we put the password in and we'll wait for it to load. And after it load, then we need to open Server Manager. After Server Manager is open, we're gonna install Hyper-V. Now, this is one thing I don't like about this stuff is that you want me to tell you why? Why would it? What would that? And this honestly none of your business. I just wanted to do it. So this is on a different VM. Let me change the network because I changed the a while back. Now we're using 9, so we can do NAT in it. Updates are available. I don't want to have updates right now. Oh, thank God I could have just done that. Okay, so now we're connected back to internet, and it's pretty straightforward. If you after that connection finishes, I don't. Why are you collecting data now? This is one of the things that I hate about Microsoft is that it's always doing shit when you want to do shit. Okay, so it's pretty straightforward. Same thing we've done before, but now on roll we select Hyper-V. The only thing different was us. What the fuck is that? I don't want to update now. The only thing different was what we did before, which was just activating stuff before. Okay, so that's it. So now we just come here, and now it's Hyper-V stuff. Now we have like, oh, how many virtual switches do I have? Fuck it, I don't know. I don't really care because none of this is asking me to do none of that. Let me just check it real quick again. That's it. That's it. I guess it's not asking me to do anything of that. So just click next, whatever the fuck that is, and That's it. You click install, and it installs Hyper-V. That's all you have to do. And after it ends install, you just need to restart the server, and it's gonna work. That's all you need to do. So installation is in progress right now. After installation is done, we're gonna know that installation is done, and that's gonna be it. So this is it for now, guys. Thank you very much for watching, and see you on the next one.